Hi, I'm Rebecca from Little Adventure Shop, and in this video I'm going to review the Hydro Flask Day Escape cooler range. Okay, so the Day Escape coolers are the top of the range coolers from Hydro Flask. You've got three options. You've got the tote bag at 18 litres, then you've got the rucksack at 20 litres, and then the larger tote at 26 litres. So fundamentally they all do the same job, which is they can keep food and drink cool for up to 36 hours. So they are all quite expensive. They really feel like quality though. You know you've got a nice quality cooler when you get your hands on one. The fabric here is incredibly durable and it's also waterproof. They've all got waterproof zips, so if you have a spillage or you carry ice, it's not going to leak anywhere. They just feel absolutely fantastic. And let me talk through one of them in a bit more detail for you so you can get an idea. I'll just move these two out the way a bit. Right, so this is the big tote here. So this is 26 litres, so this will hold 42 regular size Coke cans. So if I just tilt it forward there, you'll see the zip here. So this is, like I said, it's a waterproof zip. It is quite stiff, so I recommend when you're opening it, if you just use the grab handles at the side, and then it just helps open it smoothly. And then if I open it inside there, you'll see all the seams in here are welded, which makes it really easy to clean. And likewise, it's all waterproof fabric as well. So if you, like I said, if you spill something, it's not a disaster because it's just going to stay in the bag and it's dead easy to clean when you finish. The totes have these handles here, which again are very sturdy and well attached. The larger tote has a little mesh pocket on the back. And also both totes haven't got it attached on this one, but they have a shoulder strap as well, which I'll show you on the smaller bag in a minute. So let's have a look at what they can actually hold, because I don't know about you, but when I go on a picnic or to a festival, I don't just take cans of Coke or whatever. So first of all, I'm going to have a look at the smaller one here. So this is the 18 litre tote, and here's the shoulder strap I was talking about just a minute ago. Okay, so what can we get in here? So let's open it up. So I have got, if I tilt it forward, there you might be able to see, but we've basically got a couple of Tupperwares, and then I've got 8 cans of soft drink and 1 bottle of wine. And there you go, so you can see, and that was by no means chock-a-block in there. There's plenty of room to get a cool pack and or more food, etc., if whatever you wanted. So that's the smallest tote. If we just have a look at the rucksack to give you an idea, so this is a bit taller. So this holds 36 cans and it's just 2 litres more storage. But if I turn it around the back there, you'll see rather than having the tote handles, you've got a little rucksack system here with a bit of padding on the back. So if you've got anything sticking out, it's not going to hurt your back when you carry it. Also, you've got a mesh pocket, but this time it's just on the side there. Again, the same zip. And what have I got in here? Well, I've got some larger Tupperware and more Tupperware. Whoops. My favourite IKEA Tupperware. And then we've got a couple of bottles of wine. And again, that was by no means chock-a-block, that one, so we could have got more stuff in there if we wanted to. So if you want to carry it on your back or you're walking a long way, maybe that one's a better option because it's got the back straps on. Okay, and then finally there is this one. Now I'm just going to take a break because I'm going to show you on this bag here, which is absolutely identical, it's just a different colour. And I'm going to show you what we can fit in it and different ways of packing it. Hi, okay, we're back, and this is the 26 litre tote. It's last year's version. It's identical to the one I was showing you earlier. It's just a different colour. But what I've done is I've fitted whatever I could from the other 2 totes, the tote rather, and the rucksack combined into here to give you an idea of what we could fit in. So in actual fact, we could fit everything except this one Tupperware. So I've got 8 cans of drink there, 3 kind of Tupperware pots, that's a large one, and let's not forget the wine, 3 bottles of wine. And again, that wasn't jam-packed full either. There was room to fit a bit more in if you wanted to. So what I also did before I put all of this in is I just prepped the bag. So there's a few ways you can help keep food cool. Obviously, you want to put cold food in or use a freezer pack to keep the food insulated and cold. But another thing you can do is, because these bags are waterproof, is you can actually just fill them with ice. So you can see there that I've just chucked some loose ice in there. So if you can imagine, if you filled that with ice and a load of cans, that would keep them super cold for a long time, and you wouldn't need to worry about them leaking because the whole bag's waterproof. The other things you can do, and I would do, for example, if I was camping with my kids, is they drink a lot of milk, so I would take 2 smaller cartons of milk rather than taking one large one, and I would freeze one of them before I went, and I would put that in there, and that would just effectively act like an ice block, and then gradually it would melt and it would be ready sort of the next day or the day after that even. So there's a few little tricks. If you don't need to eat it or drink it straight away and you can freeze it, it's quite a good idea to freeze it and use it as an ice pack. Obviously, alternatively, you could just use your regular freezer packs out the freezer and kind of layer them out, just put a few in there to help keep things cold. So there you go. These are fantastic. I have to say, the quality of them, you've really got to get your hands on them to feel it, but they really do a good job, and a bit of an investment, but they will last and help keep your food cooled for your festivals and your days out and everything else. So hope you like this video. If you've got any questions, as usual, put them in the comments section below, and if you liked it, if you would like this video and subscribe to our channel, we'd really appreciate it. Many thanks.